Like my fourth take on making this video. All right, so basically this is just a recap. I raced the Hellcat today. It wasn't even on purpose. It was, you know, I don't even know. You can't even say accident because it just happened. Because, you know, I was at the red light and then I happened to see a B5 blue Charger in my peripheral. And, you know, I heard it come up. I had the windows cracked and blasting my boss man D-Lo. You know, we chilling, man. I'm about to play around with him and see what's happening. So, you know, as soon as the light turned green, I mashed out on him, you know. I'm gone, you know what I'm saying? But then all of a sudden I hear that supercharger while I'm like, oh shoot. And then I end up pulling next to him after he passed me up. I'm like, oh shoot, it's a Hellcat. So yeah, the Hellcat, I encountered the Hellcat. We started messing around, you know what I'm saying, cutting up in general, bro. I'm not gonna say what speeds we reached, but hey, hey, we was getting down. That's all I can say. But yeah, I did keep up for the most part. Then ended up taking it to, we ended up getting on the highway and stuff like that. Yeah, he did. He was gone because, you know, traffic, of course. But eventually, I did catch back up to him. But other than that, the racing, and, you know, playing around in traffic was all over and said and done. My man then went to the gas station or whatnot. But yeah, that's about it, man. You know, then I encountered a little SRT8 Jeep. He tried to blow right past me while I'm just chilling. I'm trying to get over into the left lane. He goes ahead and just blows right past me. I'm like, okay, bet, you know. So I go ahead and catch up to him. You know, I'm guessing he ain't know that my car, thinking like, you know, most people, be honest with you, man, most people thinking this car is a V6, man. It's like, oh, you got the V6 in it? Nah, man, I ain't got no V6 in it. And I also forgot to mention the whole story with the SRT8 Jeep. It was an older SRT8 Jeep. I guess dude just saw me, heard my car and stuff like that. So he was trying to test me, I guess, like that. But anyway, long story short, dogged him out, man. The SRT8 Jeep is slow. My man was cutting up. I mean, he was driving reckless, bro. He was all in the intersection. He was all in the intersection, like the whole turning lane, trying to get in front of me and all that. Like, bro, just too slow, man. He just too slow, bro. Hey, man, they got to put respect on the Genesis, man. Hey, these V8s are nothing to play with, man. I'm telling you, bro, it's the best sleeper build. I ain't gonna lie to you, but other than that, I'm out. Man, yeah, and I did update the badges on it. Can't show the plates, but, you know, I'm gonna show the badges. Yes, sir. You can see a little bit, 4.6. Stop playing with them, man. You know, I did a little bit of cosmetic mods, a little 3-month overview and all that stuff, man. It's a little stuff that I still need to work on for the car, but other than that, man, did get the tint. Everything's still working good, looking good. But other than that, man, it's a lot of stuff that still needs to be done with the car, man. But other than that, guys, shoot, I just got to get me a GoPro, man. It's a lot going on, man. A lot of cars want to mess with me, man. A lot of cars want to race. But at the end of the day, I'm grateful and I'm blessed to have this car. So I'm going to catch y'all on the next one. No, don't mind me being in the dark. I'm back in the car now. But anyway, I did forget to mention, tuning is coming for sure. More mods is coming soon to the car if I didn't already mention that in the last little clip. But other than that, that's all I got, man. Y'all be easy. Merry Christmas. Happy holidays. Happy New Year.